How to apply for a credit card in Bank of America. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can apply for the credit card in Bank of America. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. So in order to apply for the credit card in Bank of America, head over and type in apply for credit card of Bank of America, and you'll be finding the results when you go ahead and search it and go to this one right here, find and apply for a credit card online at Bank of America. When you go ahead and tap on this link, this page will appear on your screen. So it will directly lead you to the page where you can directly apply for the credit card online, and you can find this apply now option here on the screen. Go ahead and tap on it. Once tapped on it, it will lead you to another page again, redirect you, and you can go ahead and get started. So first thing is you need to enter your first name and your middle name, your last name, your suffix, your residential address, your city, your state, your zip code, and your primary phone number, and also your email address. After that, continue with the process, follow the on-screen prompts, and once you complete the form, that's how you basically apply for your credit card in Bank of America. So once that is made, once your credit card is made, they will inform you in your preferred email address or your phone number, and that is it. So that is how you apply for a credit card in Bank of America application in website. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.